Hey, quick question. Do you want a professional website but have zero coding skills and zero time to waste? Yeah, I thought so. That's exactly why I'm sharing this today. This is Pineapple Builder, an AI-powered website builder that creates a fully designed, ready-to-launch website for you in literally minutes. No tech skills needed, no hiring a developer. Just clean, professional results. Fast. Here's why people love it. It saves you hours of work. The AI does the heavy lifting. You just customize and publish. Plus, it looks great on every device, mobile, tablet, desktop, all of it. Some standout features: you get AI-generated content, drag and drop editing, SEO-ready pages, and beautiful templates built for real businesses. Freelancers use it to show off their portfolio. Small business owners use it to get clients online fast. Creators use it to build their brand without touching a single line of code. Now here's the best part, and you don't want to miss this. Right now, you can get an exclusive 75% off through the special link in the description below. The promo code is automatically applied, so you don't even have to type anything. Just click and the discount is yours. This deal won't last forever, so don't sleep on it. Click the link in the description right now, grab your 75% discount, and get your website live today. Let's go.